Well, hello there, Ingafay here. Super excited to be here with you all today. And today we are going to talk about waterproof makeup must-haves. I can't wait to share. So let's talk about this. We are in the month of April, so we know that April showers bring May flowers. And so it just led me to think about what are we going to do when it's raining outside and we want our look to be flawless. And we want it to be our look to be flawless, whether it's raining or it's shine or rain or shine. So I wanted to share a couple of, well, really about four different waterproof products that will help you look flawless whether it's raining or it's sunny outside in lieu of the time of year that we're in. We're in the midst of spring, so we are having all this new growth and generation going on. So I wanted to give you guys some cool ways to rock your authentic selves during the rainy season here in April. So the first thing I wanted to share with you is a waterproof eyeliner. The first one is a liquid eyeliner. I don't think I've ever showed this to you all before, but you can see it looks like a pen. But this is a waterproof liquid eyeliner that allows you to put your, if you're really looking for some bold looks, if you're looking for that nice cat eye, if you're looking for just a deep line right on your eyelid, whatever you're working towards and that you want to make sure that you have something that's waterproof, is this high precision eyeliner here, the liquid eyeliner. This is not something that I use on a regular basis. I have several clients that actually swear by this, but I am more partial to the pencil that allows me to I can create my own point. And then I think I've showed you this before where you can kind of sharpen the top so you can make sure you have that nice pointy tip. This is the one that I'm more partial to. But that doesn't mean that you have to like what I like. And that's why I wanted to show you this one, because you may not know that we have this liquid eyeliner. So this could be an option for you if you want really a more precise, high precision. You can even make the line a little bit thinner. You don't have to worry about sharpening it. It's going to make sure that you have that high precision point at all times. So your line is going to really be thin, and depending on how steady your hands on, it's going to be straight as well. So these are two products. This one only comes in black, so you can only get the liquid eyeliner in black, but the pencil you can get in a navy blue, you can get in a steely, you can get it, steely is like a dark gray, you can definitely get a brown, and you can get this black. So I wanted to show that to you so you would see, and like I said, it has that sharpener on the end. So if you're looking for waterproof eyeliner, those are two options that you can choose. If you want the black, the liquid, or if you want the pencil. Now we're going to move on to another eye product that I'm sure most of you probably use anyway, is a waterproof mascara. Are you using a waterproof mascara? I love the waterproof mascara, not necessarily just in this time of year, but really year round, because I think waterproof eye mascara is ideal for those that really want to make sure that their mascara lasts all day. Now we have some newer mascaras like the Great Lash Mascara that really lengthens your lashes. But if you really want to just put another extension of wear on your mascara, you could apply the last coat of your mascara to be waterproof. So if your eyes start watering for whatever reason, or like I said, if it's raining outside, because we are in the month of April, you will have that extra protection to make sure that your mascara lasts through the weather or your tears. So just a little bit of something to think about. Like I said, I typically do it the last coat of the mascara. So I have the Great Lash Mascara. So depending on what kind of mascara you like, if you're a volume girl, if you want length, if you are more about definition, it just depends on what you like. But you could do 2 coats of that mascara first, and then apply the third coat to be the waterproof mascara. And that really allows you to extend your wear and really get the look that you want this time of year. So I'm curious, do you guys use a waterproof mascara as your top coat? Share your comments in the comments below so we would know what you do. I would love to know that because I've done numerous videos on mascara and had a lot of folks tell me that that's typically what they do. So I'm just curious if you do that as well. And if you don't, girl, that's fine too, because I always say, do you, boo. So just, I want you to do things that make you feel confident in your skin. And this is just one little trick. If you didn't have it in your toolbox, now you got it. Okay. So the third product that I wanted to show you today that is waterproof, that I absolutely love, and that I love to wear in the spring is a waterproof lip liner. Now, the waterproof lip liner is really cool. It has numerous colors, more diverse colors than the eyeliner itself. It comes in a rose. It comes in a beige, so that's more of a flesh tone for folks that are in the beige family. We have a hot pink. We have a berry. We have a pink and a mauve, a red, or even truffle nude. And truffle nude is just really a dark brown. So depending on what your flavor is, girlfriend, you can try the lip liner. Now, the reason I wanted to show this is a limited edition lip liner. It's an orange, very bright. Um, Something that you could typically wear for the spring because it's bright. So if you're looking for something that has just a little different look to it, this orange is definitely where it's at. That's why I wanted to show you. It does still have that sharpener on the top, on the bottom of the liner, so you can still sharpen it like you want to. You can wear it by itself or you can wear it with a lip liner. I like to, it just depends on your preference. You can line your lips, fill your lips in with your liner and put the lipstick on top and just kind of give it a different look. Or you can, like I said, wear it by itself with your lips filled in, or you can just draw the line around your perimeter. The choice is really yours and determine about the look that you want to have. Of course, when you fill in your lips and you put the lipstick on the top, it's going to help extend the wear of your lipstick. So if you're looking for something that will allow you to do that, it will definitely do that. And then it could be a mixture of colors. So if you're one of those people that wants to have her own color, mixing eyeliner and lipstick, or even several different lipsticks and eyeliners together, it's going to definitely give you a different look, something that's unique to you and allows you to really show your unique expression. So definitely try the different colors. I'll put all of those links down in the description where you can check out the liquid eyeliner that I showed you, get you a eyeliner pencil that is actually the pencil itself, the eyeliner pencil that allows you to put the eyeliner on. And then, of course, the lip liner. All of these products, all three of these products are waterproof. And then, like I had mentioned before, I forgot to bring that one, was the waterproof mascara that you can apply. It only comes in black, though. That's the only thing. So if you're looking for a brown, it does not come in brown. It only comes in black. So hopefully that will suit you, and you can try it out and let me know what you think. I love sharing this information with you, and I want you to share me with a friend. So when you watch, as you're watching this video, be sure to share it with some girlfriends, because I'm sure that they're going to be looking for some waterproof products so they can really rock their look in April, because we know we get lots more rain in April than we normally do in any month, because we're going to get those May flowers. So be sure to share it with a friend. And then by all means, if you're looking for ways, or if you want to debunk the 5 common skincare myths, I do have a webinar coming up. It's called Love the Skin You're In webinar. By all means, let me know if you're interested, and I can drop that link in the description as well, so you guys can participate. It is a free webinar, and it's just helping you let go of those skincare myths that can be hindering you from your skincare confidence. And I really want to help you guys be confident in your skin. So until next time, we'll see you next time. And thanks for watching, and bye for now.